Hey everyone, Arthur here from Kamua, the browser-based video editing tool that helps you repurpose your content. Now, I'm excited. Why? Because as a content creator, I want to save as much time as possible. I want to create as much as possible, but I want to spend less time doing. And to do that, I want to get the most out of my content and spend less time in here. I don't want to be here on the weekend. I want to be out in the sun. But Kamua helps me do this and so much more. Kamua uses AI technology to help me just speed up my workflow, and I can do it all online. I don't even need to be in here. All I need is a laptop. Kamua helps me break my video into shots, which is really great because it's visual editing, and I can now keep all my subjects in frame using auto crop. Oh, I can keyframe? What? Boom! Mind blown. I can keyframe online. Whoa! Now to try this all out, all you have to do is go to Kamua.com and request access to our beta version of Kamua. Beta. 1 second. Once you request access, we'll ask you to fill out a form that will help us know how we can give you a better experience in using Kamua. And you can be one of our early adopters, so why not sign up? Get access to new features, badges, and I'll be back with another video to break down all these features in detail. So if you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you got any questions. So until then, if you want to repurpose your content, if you want to reformat, if you want to do things faster, head over to Kamua.com and I'll see you soon.